Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, please do subscribe, like, comment down below, and do not forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you can be notified each time I post. walaalayaal ku soo dhawaada asxaabta kanaalkayga hataa ku cusub tahay subscribe ii saar, comment, like garee, share garee. hataa aa ka mid ahayd dadka oo familygayga oo youtube-ka ayahade ku soo dhawow. maanta alfabetadan baranaynaa af Soomaaliga. It has come to my attention that I had never done the Somali alphabets, and it is giving a little bit of tough time for the people to understand the reading and the pronunciation. So here today we're doing the Somali alphabets, inshallah. Without further ado, let's get into the lesson. Consonants, shibanayal, ba, ta, ja, ha, kha, da, ra, sa, sha, da, a, ga, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. Shaqalo, short vowels. A, e, i, o, u. Shaqalo dhaadheer, long vowels. A, e, i, o, u. Again, ba, ta, ja, ha, kha, da, ra, sa, sha, da, a, ga, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. A, e, i, o, u. A, e, i, o, u. Ba, bariis, rice. Ta, timaha, hair. Ja, jimce, Friday. Ha, xalay, last night. Kha, khasnad, treasure. Da, daawo, medicine. Ra, rabitaan, wanting. Sa, sabab, reason. Sha, shah, tea. Da, dhalasho wacan, happy birthday. A, caano, milk. Ga, gabar, gaal. Fa, ficil, action. Qa, qabow, cold. Ka, kubad, ball. La, lacag, money. Ma, madax, head. Na, nacas, nacas, fool. Wa, wax, something. Ha, hadal, talk. Ya, yaab, surprise. Double vowel words. Ha, yes. Naag, woman. Jer, hippopotamus. Wheel, boy. Maroodi, elephant. Oohin, crying. Tufaan, storm. Single vowel words. Maya, no. Tab, fire. A, dog. Qor, right. Hurdo, sleep. Kuleel, hot. Dugsi, madraso. In Somali alphabets, we don't have the letters P and Z, if you have noticed. The letters P and Z, P can be substituted for B and Z for S. If you have met any Somali, you have noticed that they usually substitute any word that starts with P with B. For example, pasta, they say it as basto. So, Somali, a language that is Afro-Asiatic, there are double consonants to indicate a much stronger sound than the same sound with only one consonant. For example, Arab. You can't pronounce it as Arab. You have to roll your R's. Arab. Qalin. Not Qalin, Qalin. If you haven't understood, please do comment down below. Ask your questions and I will answer them inshallah. Let's take a look at the special apostrophe words. For example, la'an. It's la anan, la'an. Ba anan. It's not ban, ba'an. You see, it's not a two-letter word, it's just a one-letter word, but I'm trying to explain it to you. La'an and ba'an.